What if I told you that most people quit right before their breakthrough? It's a quiet, insidious moment, the point where the initial excitement has faded and the finish line is still a hazy blur on the horizon. This is the moment that separates the dreamers from the doers. Dreams die not because they're impossible, but because the path to them is paved with these moments of doubt. The final set in the gym that feels too heavy. The chapter of the textbook that makes no sense. The difficult conversation you keep avoiding. The code that just won't compile. People stop too early, underestimating how close they really are. We're conditioned to expect linear progress, a straight line from A to B. But that's not how growth works. Real progress is messy. It's a series of frustrating plateaus, followed by sudden, exhilarating leaps. Success doesn't come with a timer or a predictable schedule. It's the result of compounding effort, of showing up when you don't feel like it. Each small, seemingly insignificant action builds upon the last, creating a momentum that eventually becomes unstoppable. The secret isn't some grand gesture. It's found in the decision to do just one more rep, one more page, one more call, one more hour. The breakthrough is often just one more step, one more try, one more day of relentless persistence. This is where the battle is won. Think about it. When you quit, you'll never know how close you were. You'll be haunted by the what if. Failure, on the other hand, is just data. It's a lesson. It's proof that you tried. And that regret, the ghost of the potential you abandoned, hurts infinitely more than failure ever could. So don't stop now. Not today. The fatigue you feel is a sign that you're in the growth zone. The frustration is a signal that you're pushing boundaries. Inspire yourself to push a little further. Embrace the discomfort. Find strength in the struggle. Your future self is begging you to keep going because your success, your breakthrough, is waiting for you just beyond the point where almost everyone else would have given up.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.